Welcome to TechBuzz HQ. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of autonomous driving, exploring the potential benefits and challenges of this cutting-edge technology. Join us as we explore the future of autonomous driving and how it will impact our lives in the years to come, right here on TechBuzz HQ. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a future where cars drive themselves, taking us to our destinations without the need for a human driver. This is the incredible promise of autonomous driving, a technology that is changing the face of transportation as we know it. So, how does it all work? Autonomous driving relies on a complex system of sensors, machine learning algorithms, control systems, high-definition mapping, and cybersecurity measures. It relies on a sophisticated system of sensors, machine learning, control systems, high-definition mapping, and cybersecurity measures to create a safe and seamless driving experience. The sensors are the car's eyes and ears, constantly collecting data on its surroundings. LiDAR, radar, and cameras work together to detect other vehicles, road signs, traffic lights, and obstacles. This data is then fed into machine learning algorithms that process it in real time to make decisions about how the car should respond. Machine learning allows the car to learn and adapt to changing driving conditions over time. This is critical because driving is a complex and constantly changing task, with many variables to consider. Machine learning algorithms can help the car make decisions about how to react to unexpected situations, such as a pedestrian suddenly crossing the road, or a vehicle swerving in front of it. The control systems are responsible for taking action based on the decisions made by the machine learning algorithms. They control the steering, acceleration, and braking of the car, ensuring that it stays on course and avoids collisions. Another critical technology is high-definition mapping. High-definition mapping provides the car with real-time information about the road ahead, including road conditions, hazards, and traffic flow. This also involves creating detailed 3D maps of the roads and surrounding environment, which the car can use to navigate with greater precision. These maps can also be used to identify potential hazards, such as construction zones, and to help the car avoid them. This information is constantly updated, ensuring that the car always has the most accurate information. One of the biggest challenges facing autonomous driving is ensuring that the car can make safe and effective decisions in all driving conditions. For example, driving in the rain, snow, or fog can be more challenging for the car's sensors, which may struggle to see through the weather conditions. Similarly, driving in busy urban environments can be more challenging, with more pedestrians, bicycles, and other obstacles to contend with. Developing algorithms that can handle all of these different scenarios is a major challenge for the industry. There are several key safety considerations to be addressed, such as ensuring that the cars can make safe and effective decisions in all driving conditions, that they can detect and respond to unexpected events and hazards, and that they can operate safely in close proximity to other vehicles and pedestrians. This will require extensive testing and validation of the technology, as well as the development of new safety standards and protocols. Another example, the car's sensors can be affected by things like dirt, dust, or glare, which can interfere with their accuracy. There is also the risk of software glitches or hardware failures, which could cause the car to malfunction. In addition to safety concerns, there are also significant cybersecurity risks associated with autonomous driving. Self-driving cars are essentially computers on wheels, and as such, they are vulnerable to hacking, other malicious attacks or cyber attacks that could compromise their safety and functionality. To address this, manufacturers will need to develop robust cybersecurity protocols and strategies to protect the vehicles and their passengers. Also, the car needs protection by advanced encryption and authentication techniques, making it virtually impossible for hackers to take control of the car. Infrastructure is a critical component of autonomous driving. For example, the cars rely on high-precision maps and GPS signals to navigate with precision, and the communication between the vehicles and infrastructure needs to be reliable and secure. This means that significant investments will need to be made in developing the necessary infrastructure, such as upgrading road networks, installing sensors and cameras, and developing high-speed communication networks. Finally, there are also important ethical considerations to be addressed when it comes to autonomous driving. For example, how should the car make decisions in a situation where it has to choose between hitting a pedestrian or swerving into oncoming traffic? Who is liable in the event of an accident involving a self-driving car? These are complex ethical questions that will require careful consideration and input from a range of stakeholders. To address these challenges, companies and researchers are working to develop new and innovative solutions. For example, new sensors are being developed that can better handle challenging weather conditions. Advances in artificial intelligence are also helping to create more robust and reliable algorithms. And new safety protocols are being developed to ensure that autonomous driving is as safe as possible. The potential benefits of this technology are enormous, from improved safety to reduced traffic congestion and emissions. As we continue to develop and refine these technologies, we are sure to see more and more self-driving cars on our roads in the years to come. Traffic congestion is a major problem in many cities around the world, causing lost time, increased emissions, and frustration for drivers. One of the key promises of autonomous driving is that it could help alleviate this problem. First, autonomous driving could help reduce the number of cars on the road. With autonomous ride-sharing services, people could simply hail a self-driving car when they need it, rather than owning their own car. This would mean fewer cars on the road overall, reducing congestion. Second, self-driving cars can communicate with each other to optimize their routes and avoid traffic. This would mean that the cars could travel more efficiently, reducing the time spent in traffic and the emissions associated with idling in congestion. Third, autonomous driving could lead to more efficient use of road space. With self-driving cars, there would be less need for large gaps between vehicles, as the cars could communicate with each other and drive more closely together. This would free up more space on the roads, reducing congestion and allowing more cars to travel on the same roads. Finally, self-driving cars could help reduce the impact of traffic incidents. With autonomous driving, the car could respond more quickly and safely to accidents or other incidents, minimizing the impact on traffic flow. Overall, the potential benefits of autonomous driving on traffic congestion are significant. In conclusion, while there are significant challenges to be overcome in the development and deployment of autonomous driving technology, the potential benefits are enormous, including improved safety, reducing the number of cars on the road, optimizing routes, freeing up road space, significantly reduce congestion, and improve the overall efficiency of our transportation systems. By addressing key challenges, such as infrastructure development, safety and cybersecurity concerns, and ethical considerations, we can work towards realizing the full potential of autonomous driving and creating a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation system for all. Thanks for joining us on TechBuzz HQ as we explored the exciting world of autonomous driving. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge tech content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, this is TechBuzz HQ signing off.